Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your automation, the SMS and email automation for the ReviewKits snapshot to collect more reviews from your new customer. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, you just need to click on automation, and if you already have some automation created or some folders inside these, then you will need to find out the ReviewKits campaign, this folder. Okay, and once you get it, just click on it and it will show you all the available campaigns it has. Okay, so for now it has three different campaigns, one for new customers and another for the existing or old customers and another for the negative feedback reply. Okay, so now we will work with the new customer automation. Okay, so how it will actually work. So when someone purchases the product or services that you are selling, and then they will add to this automation, and it will start to send them email and SMS by asking the review for your product or services. Okay, so to do that, first of all we need to set the trigger. Okay, so in this case we will set the trigger accept payment. Okay, payment received, this trigger, and then we will filter it and select our product, which will actually work with this one. Okay, so now the global product. Okay, we'll select global product, and then we will select the product. The product is my awesome product. Okay, so as this is just for the demonstration and showing how you can set this up, so in your case you will select your actual product here. Okay, so after that then click save the trigger. Okay, so the trigger saved. So once someone purchases this product, this particular product, then this automation will start. Okay, so it will wait first 12 hours to send the first email and SMS. Okay, and now you can see after 12 hours it will send them the first email, and let me show you the email. Here's the from name. The from name is your GoHighLevel location name, but if you want to customize it, if you want to change it, then you can do this. And also the from email. Okay, so it will by default use your uh, location email address, but you can also add your custom email address. Let's say in your GoHighLevel, if you set up a white label email, then you can put that email here. Okay, and then here's the subject line. You don't need to change, but if you want, then you can definitely do that. And then here is the message. Okay, the actual email they will receive, and you actually don't need to touch anything because we already updated our custom values, and we are using the custom values for some dynamic content like thank you for choosing your product name. Okay, so as we already added the product name into the custom values, so we don't need to update these. Okay, it will automatically change to your product name. Okay, that you update it on the custom values. Okay, so you can use these. Otherwise, if you just want to hard code it product name, like you can just let's say I want to put my awesome product name. Okay, okay, so this will be the product name. If you want to do like this, the hard coded name, then you can also do that. But if you want to use the custom values, then you don't need to change anything here into this content. Okay, so everything will be replaced based on your custom value updated. Okay, so now here is the first email. Okay, let me save it. Let me save it. And then the SMS, and again into the SMS you also don't need to make any changes, but in case you want to change the content of your email and SMS, definitely you can do that. But the snapshot actually comes with all the content and everything done for you. Okay, so here is the SMS, and then it will wait another 3 days to send the second email and SMS. Okay, so here is the second email, and same thing again. The from name is your location name, and from email is your location email, but you can change it as I said. And here is the subject line and for this email, and then here is the email. Okay, so The purpose of this campaign is to send the reminder, send the email or SMS to your customer who just purchased your product and ask them to give you a feedback. Okay, so each of those SMS and email has the link of your review collection page. Okay, so once someone click on that, they will go to the review collection page, and then they can provide the review to the particular platform like Google My Business, Facebook, Trustpilot, or whatever platform you set as your review collection platform. Okay, so this way all the SMS and emails and everything will work. Okay, you can customize this based on your requirement. Otherwise, all you just need to put your trigger here, otherwise everything is done for you. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice day.